RKM CBSC. I am teaching social science in 4 to 10th classes. Today I want to discuss about the benefits of integrated panel, flat panel. As we know, today this is the demand of education. Integrated flat panel is an audio-visual device which is very helpful for teachers and students also. We can engage students with creativity, I am showing videos to students, engaging with workshop and quizzes. Earlier, if any teacher want to write something or draw something, then we use blackboard and chalk. But today, integrated flat panel is used as a digital whiteboard. We can write with stylus or fingers. We can engage students with showing videos, quizzes and many more games. It is very simple to handle because it is connected with internet. Many more resources are available here. This is very helpful for teacher to discuss any topic in the class and student can easily understand with diagrams. Suppose if I want to show latitude and longitudes, we can just show image to student and explain grids also. Where is equator, where is prime meridian, where is north pole, south pole, etc. Students can easily understand that what are grids, what are meridians, prime meridians, equator, north, where is north pole, or how many degrees, where is north, south direction, easily can understand. If we can draw something, or we can show any map of India, particular state, we can open the image or download image and show it to students. Integrated flat panel is connected with internet, so teachers can show many more videos to students with any resources. Today, integrated flat panel is very more useful to teachers and students also. Thank you.